Hello, in this video we will show you how to navigate and search through the Anatomy and Physiology Journals. The first thing you will notice is that everything on the main page is broken down into modules. Though there is an option to search for a topic you wish to find more relevant information on, and then there is the A to Z index, which breaks down everything that is available through this e-resource in alphabetical and numerical order. To use as an example for this video, we'll select the first module, Body Plan and Organization. This will bring you to a new pop-up window which should look like this on screen. The options menu on the left side of the screen are topic guides, which will change the information that appears on the right side of the screen once you change the topic. For example, if you click on Body Systems, you will notice the information change. At the bottom of the window, you will find that there's two separate quizzes in relation to the material you're reading. One being a topic quiz, which asks you questions in relation to the topic on screen, and the other being module quiz, which asks you questions in relation to all the topics covered in this module. Finally, if there's any topic that you find any relevant information on and wish to download a copy of it, simply click on the Save as PDF option, which you will find at the top right of the window, just underneath the Logout option.